Introduction. Welcome to this guided meditation session, designed to accompany you as you embark on a new and exciting chapter in your life, starting a job at your college. This meditation is a gentle journey towards inner peace, confidence, and readiness for the challenges and triumphs ahead. Let's begin by creating a space of tranquility and focus. Setting the scene, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Gently close your eyes and begin to let go of the external world. This is your time, a sacred space for your well-being. Deep breathing. Start by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Hold that breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each exhale, release any tension or stress you might be holding. Imagine with every breath out, you are letting go of worries, doubts, and fears. Body scan for relaxation. Let's do a gentle body scan. Focus your attention on the top of your head. As you breathe in, imagine a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head down to your toes. Gradually move your focus down your body, to your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Allow these parts to soften and relax. Continue this wave of relaxation through your neck, shoulders, arms, and down to your fingertips. Let any tension in your chest, back, and abdomen melt away. Finally, feel the relaxation flow through your hips, legs, and feet. Your entire body now feels relaxed and peaceful. Visualizing the new environment, picture yourself in your new job environment at the college. Imagine the space around you. It might be an office, a library, or a classroom. Notice the colors, the light, the textures. See yourself there, feeling calm and grounded. Visualize yourself organizing your workspace, greeting new colleagues with a warm smile, and feeling a sense of belonging. Embracing the role, imagine yourself performing your job duties with competence and ease. Whether it's interacting with students, managing tasks, or collaborating with colleagues, see yourself handling these responsibilities with confidence and skill. Visualize overcoming small challenges effortlessly, and learning from each experience with a positive attitude. Overcoming challenges. Now, think of a potential challenge you might face in your new role. Visualize this challenge clearly. Then, see yourself approaching this challenge with a calm, problem-solving mindset. You're resourceful, capable, and adaptable. Watch as you successfully navigate this challenge, feeling a sense of accomplishment and growth. Affirmations. Let's reinforce your positive mindset with some affirmations. Repeat these to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. I am capable and well prepared for my new job. I welcome new experiences and growth opportunities. I am resilient, adaptable, and open to learning. Every challenge is a chance to grow and strengthen. I bring unique value and perspective to my role. I am surrounded by supportive colleagues and mentors. I trust in my ability to make meaningful contributions. Connecting with inner wisdom. Take a moment to connect with your inner wisdom. This is the part of you that knows you are more than capable of handling this new job. It's the voice that encourages you when you doubt yourself, the feeling of assurance when you're on the right path. Spend a few moments in silence, listening to this inner wisdom. Gratitude practice. Shift your focus to gratitude. Think about the aspects of this new job that you are grateful for. It could be the opportunity to learn, to meet new people, or to contribute to something meaningful. Feel the warmth of gratitude fill your heart, and let it radiate throughout your body. Visualizing a successful day. Now, imagine a successful day at your new job. From the moment you wake up, you feel energized and optimistic. See yourself going through your day with ease, meeting challenges with a calm and positive attitude, and ending your day with a sense of accomplishment. Feel the satisfaction of a job well done. Returning to the present. As this meditation comes to a close, start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the surface you are sitting on, the feel of the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. Closing the session, when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, hopefully more relaxed, confident, and prepared for your new journey. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you need a moment of peace or a boost of confidence. As you move forward into your day and into your new role at college, carry with you the calmness, the strength, and the positive energy you've cultivated here. Trust in yourself, embrace the journey, and know that you are fully capable of handling whatever comes your way. End of meditation.